Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to embed a YouTube video on your website, whether it's basically a tutorial, a promo or a vlog, it's super easy. So in this video, I will show you how to add a YouTube video on Wix in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure you are connected to the internet and everything is looking good. Go basically and look for Wix.com. We're gonna tap on Wix.com, then we're gonna go all the way, log in using your email address and password, then tap on design website. It will take you automatically to this Wix website editor. It's gonna look like this. It's time now to tap on add elements. Basically this add elements, we're gonna go and look for any video or music or basically something like this. We can also go through socials if you want to. Okay, so let's go to socials this time. As you see, you can also go to video upload or whatsoever and audio upload as well. We have Wix videos, we have Facebook, we have YouTube. So all you gotta do now is select YouTube from here. Drag and drop the video player onto your page. Then all you're gonna do is paste the YouTube link. Enter the YouTube link, adjust video settings, enable autoplay, loop, or even controls if needed. Then save it from here and publish it. And that's basically it. So basically, you should also disable any autoplay for better user experience, use HD videos and every other detail. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.